we learned something from, relearned something from our recent experience, and that is just to make sure that you understand the competition. Now, and this is an example of strategy, and a lot of the audience are CEOs, and you want to think about strategy of a company, or excuse me, of a product, but you want to think about the strategies of companies. NVIDIA's market share in the high end is probably something along the lines of 97%. Well, in order for us to grow, we have to grow the TAM. God knows growing that next 3% isn't going to help us, right? But if you're a competitor, you don't have to grow the TAM. You just have to grow into that 97%. And so here's a perfect example where two companies that build the same products would have radically different strategies.
Yeah, I think that's a good thing.
Right? Radically different strategies. Our focus is growing the TAM. Notice Envision. Their strategy is take my share. Notice, don't focus on the TAM, focus on building the fastest little widget at the lowest possible price. And so the two strategies are radically different. It's not right or wrong. What we need to do as a company is to continue to be idealistic as a company and continue to grow the TAM. We've grown our TAM enormously over the years. All of you are here, and all these visual computing companies are here because the TAM of visual computing has grown. That's a really good thing. We need to continue to do that. But on the other hand, we have to make sure that we simulate, and I use the word simulate very specifically. We have to simulate our competitors. Knowing our competitors is not enough. We have to simulate where they're going to be. And so that analysis process is something that we really have to internalize and do much, much better. We obviously estimate competition all the time, but at the scale of business that we have today, all it takes is one chip to disrupt the 100 million chips that we have in the marketplace.
Actually, disruption.